Hello guys, and welcome again to another video of TradingMind. So today we'll be doing some trading shots with the OTC, so using our training robot, so the MindBot. So we'll be doing some trades on the OTC as I said. So I will go for $6 per shots. Show the interface again. So here I will insert my login and password. I remind you guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave us a comment and share with your friends if you like. So trade value 6, stop loss I will go for 17, 18, or I will go for 20. Okay, for the stop win I will go for 15. So once everything's set up, I'll go for authentication. I will use trend filter into the OTC. It's better to use the trend filter and authentication. So we will continue on our account and we will watch the progress with this account. So as you can see guys, we are connected using our currency USD and the balance is same as our account. So I will check the news. We have GPY. This is just released on midnight, so nothing to worry about. So if you don't have an IQ option account, so you can sign up using the link in the description. And let's start. We will be waiting for an entry, so it will take some time because OTC don't have enough pairs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 or 10. This one is not counted, so we have 9 with 87% payout. So we're gonna wait for an entry and let's see. Let me make it like this. So guys, as you can see, we detected our first trade on old Canadian dollar on OTC with a put operation with a MindBot main strategy using the binary. So as you can see guys, the amount of the trade has been deduced from the balance. And let's see our trade. Our trade has been placed. So we have a big red candle. So in my opinion, this candle will do retracement down, and let's see the results of this one. So hopefully I have trust on my robot. So let's see. So guys, as you can see, 30 seconds left on our trade and the trade is going very good in our side. So it will go for a winning shot. We hope the best for this one. And let's see our robot. So scroll here. So it will mark up as a win once this trade is finished. So as you can see guys, it showed win with $5.22 with a total of $5.22 of profit. So we have one trade, win trades one. As you can see, it's a put with main strategy of MindBot. So we're gonna wait the second entry. We hope the best for the second entry and let's see. As you can see, guys, a trade has been detected on Euro GPY OTC with the put operation onto the binary, and the amount has been deduced, and the trade has been placed on this Euro GPY after a long time of waiting. So we have our second trade, sorry, and it's going for put. So let's see what this trade gonna be, the results, and hope the best for this one. Let's wait. So guys, as you can see, we have the Euro GPY, the trend was a put, and the operation was a put. So it's a very good opportunity. So as you can guys see, the trade is going very deep. So we hope the best, and let's wait until the result to show up. So 30 seconds left for our trade. We hope the best for this one. So it's OTC and it's kinda risky market. So we have trust on our robot to make our best trading, and great thing in this, we don't have emotions in trading. So we let this robot trade itself and we watch the results. So as you can see, guys, it's another win. Our second trade is a win, and we have a $5.22 of this trade profit and a total of $10.44 profit. So in the same time, we have detected another trade that will be our last trade if it's a win, and it's USD CHF on OTC with a call operation with the main strategy MindBot 1 using the binary options. So the trade will be placed on USD CHF. So we will wait the entry. So the entry will be a call. So good opportunity, and let's see what will happen on this trade. So the trade will goes right now. The amount has been deduced from the balance, and the trade is going in this side. So let's wait our trade to finish. So I remind you guys to join our Telegram group to discuss about this robot and everything concerning this one. So this trade has been placed using the trade filter, and the call operation is called. So once this trade is finished, the robot will be closed automatically, and we hope the best for this one. So we will be reaching our target. So as I set stop win at 15, and with $5 of with this profit, it will hit 15.66, right? And let's wait this trade to finish. So guys, as you can see, 30 seconds left for our trade, and our shot using our MindBot is not very bad. So as you can see guys, it's OTC and everything is not very clear because OTC is the market by IQ option. So we hope the best for our trade. And it's a winning shot. So the robot has been closed and our target has been hit. And we have a total of $15 of profit. So we made our session today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share with your friends, and see you guys in the next session. Bye bye.